Here's a really good maintenance tip if you're painting your house. In fact, if you're doing anything around your house, and that is to always clip the branches that are on or around your house. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm on the roof here, and my client here has a branch, a tree here. I think it's a Japanese maple. It's a beautiful Japanese maple, but it's coming up and it's encroaching up on top of the roof. Now, this is detrimental for multiple reasons. The first reason is because basically it allows rodents to jump on the tree and then jump onto your roof and then burrow into your house. And then, of course, it's free rent, so they're going to love to stay there. That's the first thing that you want to avoid. The second thing you want to avoid is too much congestion and not enough airflow. And what that means is that usually leads to moisture and wood rot and things that you don't want to do. So by clipping it all away, and that's what I'm going to do for my client right now, is that we're going to clip all these branches away so that it's away from the house, creates airflow, allows the sunshine to get there to dry things out when it's wet, and those pesky rodents don't jump on your roof and then get some free rent. So my name is Paul. I'm from Trusted House Painter. If this tip helps you, give us a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. If you got any questions, you can call our hotline at 1-866-PAINT-18. That's 1-866-724-6818, or you can go to trustedhousepainter.com, find local painters near you. Thanks.